Hello everyone, welcome back to Roshni's Creamy Bakes. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the 1M nozzle design. So here I've taken 1M nozzle. You can get this nozzle from any local bakery shop. So here I've added some cream in a piping bag. And now I am making the designs from this nozzle. So the first design is a Rosette design. It's like a chakli shape. Now the second design that I'm making is a shell design. Now the third design is a star design. It's like a star shape. You can check out my other cake videos for such designs. Now this design is like a star. 3 stars I'm making. Now the last design that I'm making is a braided design. So all these designs you can make on your cakes and make your cake beautiful. So hope you all like this video. If you like this video, then share it with your family and friends. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. So I will see you soon again in the next video. Till then, bye bye.